Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial, we will learn about polyline command. So let's start with this tutorial. Here I have opened a new sheet in my Autocad software. Now I can choose the polyline from either from this drop and or shortcut key for polyline is PL enter. Now before starting with the drawing, we'll see what is the difference between the simple line and the polyline. So let's see. I'll draw a figure here with the help of line and I'll draw a similar figure with the help of polyline. In this figure drawn with the help of line, if you click on any of these segments, you see you can select it separately. That means all the segments are individual. But in polyline, if you click on this figure, the whole figure or whole object will be selected because all the segments in polylines are interconnected. So whenever you draw anything with the polyline, all the segments of the object will be interconnected to each other, like this. Now we'll see how to draw polyline in different ways. I'll give this command for PL, enter. Now you'll get here specify starting point. I'll specify it here. Now there are options like arc, close, half width, length, undo, width. We'll see how to work with the arc. In arc you'll get more options like angle, center, close, direction, half width, line, radius, second point, undo, width. Mostly in arc we use center or radius or second point. We'll see what is radius. Center is when you choose center, you'll see here specify center point of arc. Center point, I'll give it suppose 200. Enter. Now here is my center point and your arc will move around that center point. I'll put this on off and your arc will be moving around this point. You can click wherever you want and your arc will stop at that point like this. Now again, if you want a straight line, click on line and you'll get a straight line here. Now in arc, we'll see what is second point is. Second point is you can give the second point randomly anywhere you want. The arc will stop there. You can even give a diameter of that arc. Suppose I am giving diameter as 300. Enter. The second point of the arc will be specified at that end of diameter. Now again, I'll choose this line. Now, next option is half width. Click on the half width. Now, half width is whenever you give any specific width, it will be a distance from the center point or center of the line to the edge of the line. I'll give it. When you choose half width, you will get this instruction specify starting half width. Starting half width, I'll give 0 and ending half width, I'm giving 10 width. Say enter. Now you see the line will come like this. Now if you want to change the width, then again you have to choose on this half width, give half width as starting half width as 0, ending half width as 0, enter. And you get your normal line. Again, if you want to change the half width, you can give whatever you want. Suppose I am giving 5 as starting half width and ending half width also I am giving 5. You get a line with the same thing. Again, I'll get this 0. Normal. Now similarly, width, you have to specify the starting width as I'm giving 0 and ending with 10. To get a line like now width is the distance from the edge of this line to the other edge of this line. Half width is from the center to the edge of the line. So this is the difference between the half width and width. Now again I'll take this polyline command. Let's click here. Now I can see my width is thicker because last time I'd entered this thickness as 10 mm and I didn't change it. So here I'll change it to, I'll choose width that gives starting point at 0, ending point at 0. And I'll get this normal. So hope you all have understood how to use the polyline command. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the Autocad. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.